Day 2 of Edinburgh. Okay, we're just outside Edinburgh Castle.
Get back!
It's a bit steaming to be fair. Should we go get a look? Yeah. We were lucky with the weather!
Slow cooked beef shoulder with cheesy mash and bacon mash. Oh my!
The best by a long shot. I would put that as one of the top things to do. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video.
Welcome back.
Day 2 of Edinburgh.
Yeah.
So today we have planned, we are off up to Edinburgh Castle, the famous Edinburgh Castle.
And the Royal Mile, so we're going to see all of the historic, ancient parts of Edinburgh, which is going to be really cool.
And if you missed our video yesterday, we did a full walking tour of Edinburgh, went up to Colton Hill, went to the Obscura
really
camera
good,
thing. Yeah, anyway, we did loads of touristy stuff yesterday as well, so check out that video. But today is all about the history, and then we've got a few other things hidden up our sleeve as well for some really good activities.
It's going to be great.
The first stop on our list is to try and find this pancake place, which is meant to be really good, called Stack and Still.
Yeah,
so,
like everywhere mentions to try this place out, and they do like every pancake you can imagine with every topping. So let's go and check that out.
let's go find it.
Left.
I don't think it's down a street though.
So we're in a breakfast place called Stack and Still. It looks really, really good.
Really good, hard to find though. So I went for the Nutella stack, which is what they already like suggest you should have. And Gaz put bacon, chocolate, strawberries, like literally just doesn't go at all. It's
Yeah,
the
I
standard
just put
Gaz.
like 6 things I like on a plate.
Just everything that you like that doesn't go together, it's all on a plate. So we'll see if it actually tastes nice. Probably not.
Yeah, it will. Do you like bacon?
Yes.
Do you like white chocolate?
Together, no.
No. Do you like white chocolate? Do you
Yeah.
like Do you like pancakes?
Yes.
Do you like cream?
But not with them all
No,
together.
that's the question. Do you like cream?
No, not with them all
No.
together.
Idiot. You'll be laughing when I've got the delicious pancakes.
Our breakfast. It was really nice, wasn't it, Gaz?
Yeah, it lived
Best
up.
place.
It lived up to and exceeded expectations.
Best place we've eaten in so far, but I wouldn't get the triple stack because even Gaz couldn't finish his last pancake.
No, it was banging.
Anyway, we're on the Royal Mile now, so we're going to walk up and check out the history of all of the monuments.
We're on the Royal Mile. We've got tickets booked for the castle in a little bit, so we're going to make our way up and check out the castle.
Yeah, let's go. Enjoy a day out fit for a king or queen when exploring the Royal Mile in Edinburgh's Old Town. We started just across North Bridge and headed up towards the castle, but if we'd ventured left, we would have seen the Palace of Holyrood House and Queen's Gallery. The Royal Mile is what they call a Scots mile long, connecting the two royal buildings, and is culturally and historically important to the city. It's jam-packed full of attractions, including lots of whisky shops, walking tours, random performances on the street,
Alex, put one hand in each hip. Alex, your hips.
The atmosphere is truly electric. Here we have St Giles's Cathedral, home of the Thistle Chapel, used by the Knights of the Thistle. The cathedral has some stunning architecture that people usually come to look at. And of course, what's Scotland without the old classico bagpipes?
Scan your barcode.
Okay, we're just outside Edinburgh Castle.
We've got our tickets.
£15.50 each, and you book it online through their website and then collect it just outside in like a little ticket office.
Sorry if it's really windy, but
Yeah.
it's really windy. Sorry.
It is really windy. I'm sure it's going to be windy
As
in
you
there.
can tell by my hair.
Time to head inside, I think.
Yeah, I'm really excited. Let's go in.
Yes. But this whole thing was just like so you can get audio guide tickets as well when you come inside and get like headsets, but we're just gonna have a mooch, aren't we, Gaz?
Yeah, I'll be the tour guide, don't worry.
Yeah, you know
Abby.
a lot about history, so. But yeah, we're inside now. So,
First impressions?
well, already some amazing views, as you can imagine, since it's on top of a hill overlooking stunning Edinburgh. So yeah, happy, excited, let's go and check out the history.
So you can see Arthur's Seat, where we'll be going tomorrow. I must admit, it does look like quite a big climb, and we've only got our trainers, but yeah, we're still going to do it, aren't we?
Yeah, obviously. Edinburgh Castle is one of the oldest fortified places in Europe. It is enriched with history, posing as a royal residence, military garrison, prison and fortress throughout its time. It is a world-famous attraction and an absolute must-do in Edinburgh, even if you're not a history junkie like Gaz. So every day at 1 o'clock, the gun behind me here shoots, and people find it very exciting. So usually come for the 1 o'clock.
Yeah, and
viewing.
it's 12:15 now, so we'll certainly be in time for it.
Yeah, hopefully we'll be able to see it. See if it's all that it's cracked up for. Go on, act like a guard.
Get back!
So there's so much to do in here. So you've got amazing views, obviously having a look around the actual castle itself, and there's museums as well. So what's that museum
The
called?
Scottish War Museum.
Yeah, which we're going to head into now and have a little bit of a look around.
Yeah, it's pretty blustery up here.
And I
if you
hope you
can't
can
tell.
hear us. Hope you can hear us.
If
We're trying to
not-
like hide away so we can get. So
If not,
yeah.
el protocolo. Bueno, estamos no coisa.
Right, so we've left the castle, we've been to the pub to watch the rugby, and
About 2 glasses of wine deep, so I'm actually a bit steaming, to be fair.
what did you think of the castle?
Yeah, really good actually. Like, I expected it to be good, but then, I don't know, there was so much more than expected to do. Like, I thought it'd just be outside, you know, like wandering around. There was so many areas of it that you can go inside and like explore and
Different
stuff.
buildings and stuff. It was so
Yeah,
much better
yeah.
than the light thing we done yesterday.
Yeah.
For 15 quid and the amount that you got to do and the views, it was a lot better.
Then we went to the pub on the Grassmarket to have a few drinks whilst watching the rugby, and we're going to go head there now and show you around because it's actually a really interesting area of Edinburgh. So it's the oldest area of Edinburgh, and a lot of the layout hasn't changed. The buildings have, but the layout hasn't. And one of the streets apparently is like inspiration for Diagon Alley, so there's like loads of shops
We
about
say that
Harry
about
Potter.
everywhere we go.
I know, there was like one in
We're
York,
like
there's one in
Leeds,
Edinburgh.
York, Edinburgh.
Anyway, anything to do with Harry Potter, we're happy, aren't we?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have a little mooch around. There's actually a market on today as well. So Grassmarket used to be a market
We're gonna buy
area
some
back in the
grass.
day, and also now's a market on. So we'll have a bit of explore of that area, I think.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, because obviously it is inspiration for Diagon Alley. So many Harry Potter shops on the street as well, which is really exciting. I want to go have a look in it, look at all of like the wands and stuff we can get.
You
Love
want a
Harry
wand?
Potter. Yeah, should we go get a wand?
Let's go and choose one.
Yeah, should we have a look?
Hi. I'd be in Slytherin, definitely. Right, so we've just been walking down Victoria Street and the Grassmarket. Would highly recommend it, it's pretty sick, isn't it?
What we found with this area is, we didn't read too much about it online, but we've been here nearly every other
It's where
hour.
all the bars, pubs, restaurants is.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I would definitely recommend here. Anyway, what's the plan next?
Toilet and a drink, I think. Maybe either a coffee or an alcoholic bev.
Alright, hi guys, back in the hotel. As you can see, we were going to do a little bit more exploring, but then this happened. We were looking with the weather, and this is the first time it's rained and it's bad, and I've got this minuscule umbrella to protect me.
Where'd you get that umbrella from?
My mum gave me it.
It's
She's
like a hat.
Mum was like, it fits in your handbag, so... Anyway, heading back to the hotel now, freshen up before dinner and drinks, so let's go. So we're now, well, we've had a few hours chill, you know, just relaxing and stuff, but we're trying to get out for an early dinner because it's Saturday night. Obviously it's Valentine's Day weekend. We had booked a Thai, but we weren't really up for it, were we?
Not feeling Thai.
Weren't feeling it. We have got the Monkey Barrel, I think it's called, a comedy club booked for 9 o'clock, which we're really excited about. So we're trying to get out for an early dinner to hopefully get a table somewhere. So we're gonna go on a mooch, get some drinks. We're thinking this one tonight's definitely gonna end up being Larry at a comedy club. So we'll take you along and see what we get up to. Everything we own is absolutely dripping. This scarf's wet. Gaz has just put on some wet jeans. So yeah, not feeling the best, but we know after a few drinks we'll be in a good mood. So let's go. Just approaching now. Pray that they have a table, eh, Gaz?
Let's hope.
Yeah, they do actually. They look massive, don't they?
That's something I remember. I've got slow cooked beef shoulder with cheesy mash and bacon mash.
Yeah, it
and
looks
what did you
banging.
get, Abby?
So I got... I've already started eating it.
Oh, yeah.
What was it? Wild boar
You
sausages,
got half a sausage?
cheesy mash and bacon mash as well. But basically,
Yeah, this is like the nicest food I've ever had.
you could choose. There was like 8 different kinds of mash, wasn't there?
You choose your mash, choose your gravy, choose your beer. So yeah,
Banging.
I'm excited to get started.
Yeah.
We have just finished at the mash place.
The best,
Oh my!
the best by a long shot. Food is unreal. Service is fantastic.
Yeah.
Definitely go there if you come in.
That
That's the
would be
one
my
place.
that would be my #1 restaurant shout.
Yeah,
it's
it was
independent
absolutely unreal.
and it was amazing.
Yeah, the people were really nice.
If you can't tell, we really liked it.
Anyway, we're heading to the Monkey and Barrel now for our
Yeah.
comedy show, which obviously we won't be able to film much, but we'll get what
Do you
we
think
can.
all comedy clubs have an animal in? Because our one in Manchester is the Frog and Bucket.
Yeah.
This one they put a monkey in a barrel. It's going to be bigger.
Yeah, maybe actually.
Yeah.
Who knows? Maybe that's just a thing, eh? Who knows?
Exciting. We are a little bit early, an hour and 10 minutes, but oh well.
Have a drink?
Exactly.
Right up our street.
Right, yeah.
So we have as our host Rick Moland with Helen Bauer, Ian Smith, Gareth Wall, and Sming Babylons. I don't know how to pronounce it very well. Anyway, it is Edinburgh's #1 for bars and clubs and concerts and shows on TripAdvisor, and it is the 3rd time Scottish Comedy Award winner for this best club. So we've got high hopes, and the drinks are actually pretty cheap in here as well. Less than a tenner for a round, which has not happened once in Edinburgh. It's an hour and 40 minutes. Tickets were 20 quid each, weren't they, guys?
Yeah.
We'll let you know how it is, but I think it's going to be a good one. Alright, again, it is the next day after last night. curtains.
The morning after the night before.
Yeah, we just can't sign off at the end of the night, to be fair, because we just realised that we're probably half cut with our eyes half shut, slurring our words, haven't we? So
Yeah, probably.
the comedy show was really, really good.
I don't think I've ever been to a bad comedy show, but it was really good, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah. And the headline act, Ian Smith, and then my favourite was also Helen Bauer. Both of them were absolutely hilarious.
Though I thought it was really, really good show, yeah.
Yeah, nice intimate setting as well, which makes it like even more fun.
And a nice bar as well. It's like a good chilled out bar
Yeah,
that you could check out before.
So I would put that as one of the top things to do in Edinburgh, wouldn't you?
For sure.
Yeah. Anyway, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and we'll see you in the next vlog, which will be Arthur's Seat. Right?
Climbing a bloody big hill.
Yep. Okay, bye.